Welcome back, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Some of you might remember this. This is the Vise stand. I built. I put together. Well, I didn't. Obviously, I didn't forge the metal. I mean, or anything. But I purchased it and I cut it and I welded it poorly to this. And I think the welds, yeah, they totally look like ass, but they look. I mean, they're not great. They're not even really that good, but I think it'll hold. Yeah, they suck. And I did read your comments, man. I forgot what your name is, dude, but I'm gonna give the stick welding thing a better shot. I just thought I did better personally with the MIG myself, but whoever you were, whoever gave me that comment about the stick welding, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Personally, I thought the MIG welds looked better, but I think the stick welding was actually a little bit easier to control. I don't know. Again, I'm not a professional, nor do I plan on one on TV. What I want to do today is put this on this, about like this. Approximately like this, like in the corner. Because I'm gonna have something else that was probably gonna go over there. And this isn't, some professional. This is a Vevor 6-inch, bench vise. Can also hold pipes and stuff like that, as seen in here. And this thing will last me a million years, because A, I take care of my stuff, and B, I take care of my stuff. So, Candace, if you're watching, and I know you are because you're doing your pops a solid, this vise will someday be yours. Yeah, I know. She's awesome, though. She said, I told her not to expect to have some big windfall of cash when I die, because I plan on spending all of my retirement funds on me. And she said that, she's like, I don't give a shit about that, essentially. I don't remember it verbatim, but it was essentially, I don't give a fuck about that. I'd rather have you around. And it's just nice to hear. Thanks, baby. I love you. But let's get back at this. So what I'm going to do first is, drill the holes. I'm going to use my drill press. I need to move the drill press because I can't get it to work where it sits now, but no big deal. Then I'm going to put this in place, and then when that's done, or actually I might put it on the floor first so it's more stable. I don't think it matters. I think I'll put the vise on because I just want to really get this box out of my garage and have more of a sense of accomplishment rather than just me shitting around for 6 hours and editing 98% of it out to make a 10-minute video, which is what I do. I bet that's pretty much my process. My camera runs the whole time. I don't stop it at all unless I'm like moving for a different angle or different shot or different scene or something. And yeah, it takes a while to edit because I essentially have to watch the whole thing because I don't know when I talk and when I don't, because sometimes I'll be doing this and sometimes I'll be doing this and sometimes I'll be just doing this. But yeah, come here, Pupper. Come here, say hi to everybody. He's down here. He's been with me all morning. Can we see it? Yeah, there he is. Hey, buddy. Say hi to everybody. Hi, everybody. Why don't you guys go outside instead of watching these stupid videos by this idiot? Hey, you're supposed to be on my side, buddy. But, yeah, as it were. So let's get to it.